Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to bring in a list of customers into QuickBooks Online without typing them all in one by one, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to import customers into QuickBooks Online quickly and correctly. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a tip to avoid the most common mistake people make when importing data. Let's get started. The first step is to prepare your data. QuickBooks Online works best with CSV or Excel files. That means you'll want to have your customer information organized into columns like name, email, phone number, and so on. QuickBooks even provides a sample template you can download inside the software. I recommend checking that out so you know your file is formatted correctly before uploading. Once your data is ready, head into QuickBooks Online. In the top right corner, click on the settings gear icon and then choose Import Data. From here, you'll see a few different import options. Go ahead and select Customers. Now it's time to upload your file. You can either browse your computer for the CSV or Excel file, or if you're storing it in Google Sheets, you can connect your Google account and pull it directly from there. Super convenient if you're working in the cloud. After your file is uploaded, QuickBooks will ask you to map your fields. This step is really important. On one side, you'll see the columns from your spreadsheet, and on the other side, you'll see QuickBooks fields. Use the drop-down menus to match them up. For example, map your email address column to QuickBooks email field. If you have extra columns that don't need to be imported, just select No Match. Once you've mapped everything, QuickBooks will show you a preview of your customers before the import is finalized. Take a moment here to double-check everything. If there are customers you don't want to bring in, you can uncheck their boxes. When everything looks good, click Import. And just like that, your customer list is now inside QuickBooks Online, ready to use for invoices, sales receipts, or customer tracking. Now, here's that quick tip I promised. Always review your data before uploading. Things like duplicate customer names or missing emails can cause issues down the road. Cleaning up your spreadsheet before importing will save you a ton of time. And that's it. You now know how to import customers into QuickBooks Online in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that make your bookkeeping simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.